Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and other useful and informative video which is about how to fix iOS 17 beta freezing and lagging issue on iPhone. So first of all guys, you should be represent this issue on your iPhone. So first of all, do not waste any time. You should be subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon and for more latest video for notification. First of all, wasting any time for you. First of all, you iOS 17 lagging issue do stop. This issue for stop, you should be first solution check your network condition. Many apps require an internet connection for their content and other functionality. And then second, close an app that's not responding. So, for example, he is fonts style is not responding apps. So first of all, then click and then remove app and delete. First and is delete. You should be this app install in this method. You open a app store and then you click on id and then update and install this method. So guys, uh, third option is make sure you have enough storage. So enough storage is become click on setting and then click on general and then click on iPhone storage. Your iPhone storage not is fully, that is not responsibility, and then make sure your mobile is not like. So fourth number is click on general, click on setting and then click on battery and then click on low power mode turn off. Is surely your low power mode is turned off and then keep up your device getting too hot or cold. जब आपका डिवाइस गर्म हो जाए उसको ठंडा करें and look at your battery health. Then click same option battery health and then click your maximum capacity your battery health. This issue was your lagging iOS 17 issue will be fixed. So I hopefully, uh, guys, after watching this video you will all know you how any problem. So please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.